Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Fiat 500. If you have one of those guys, you need to find where the fuse for the central locking is located. Stay with us, we'll explain that in this video today. Make sure to stay until the end, we'll explain why it's super important to test the fuse when you remove it. You may think it's okay, but make sure you test it and we'll explain why in this video today. So before we start guys, let me tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. If you want to see any specific videos on Fiat 500, leave a comment below, that way we can get an idea, and if we have time we'll try to make a video for your specific problem. If you need to buy any parts, tools, you want to save quite a bit of money, check out the link in the description of the video below. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from as well. So where is the fuse for the central locking on Fiat 500 guys? So if you come right here, we're demonstrating on the 2015 model, but if you come actually guys to the driver's side, okay, you can see we have the steering wheel right here, the pedals, and if we come right underneath guys, okay, right underneath here, you're going to see, okay, give me a second now. Right here we have the fuses, you can see located right here, and the fuse guys, okay, that we need to check, okay, for the central locking will be fuse number 38, which will be the fourth fuse from top to bottom. One, two, three, four, that 20 amp fuse guys, the 20 amp big fuse, that will be the one for the central locking. Test it guys, remove it. If you need to buy new replacement fuses, I'll put the link in the description of the video below where you can get some from for a really good price and quick shipping. Super important to test the fuse when you remove it, because you may think it's okay, but actually it's not, and it can save you thousands of dollars, because if you think you have a good fuse and you start replacing other parts, you can end up spending quite a bit of money guys. So always test them. I'll put a link in the description of the video below how to test the fuse on a car, which is very easy. Thank you for watching and see you next time.